Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a quick unboxing and impression video for the Inkbird ISV-300W. Now if you've looked into sous vides before, you might think that the 300W stands for a low power cooking device. So today we're going to find out if that's the case or if this is truly a hidden gem. Looking at the top of the box, we can see that it offers features such as a timer, HD LCD screen, IPX7 waterproof rating for ease of cleaning, Wi-Fi connection, as well as a phone app for controlling it, and finally safety alerts. Opening the box, we get immediate access to the user manual as well as a quick start guide. My first impressions of the packaging are very good. Everything seems to be neatly organized. There seems to be plenty of protective foam to keep the unit well protected. And that brings us to the main event, the sous vide cooker itself. It has a premium feel and is rather heavy. There is a large LCD screen at the top with 4 control buttons, which we'll see more of later on in the video. And there you have it, folks, the Inkbird ISV-300W. Has a sleek design, a very prominent display, looks very professional. It has a nice solid weight to it, feels incredibly well built. You'll note that it does have a large sturdy clip on the back so you can attach it to a wide array of water containers. It is designed to heat up and maintain temperatures in water baths of up to 16 liters. So now let's talk about the specifications of this machine. As I mentioned earlier, the model number can actually get a little bit confusing because it says 300W, which would lead you to believe that it is a 300 watt machine, but it is in fact a 1000 watt machine. And that's a big deal because that means it's going to get your water hotter faster. It's also going to be able to maintain a more consistent temperature. In fact, the specifications say that it can maintain a temperature within 0.3 degrees of where it's set. As you can see below the display, you have your control buttons. On the display itself, you have your set temperature showing here on the top and the current temperature showing right here in the middle. You'll also note that on the left-hand side, you have the time that is remaining, as well as on the right-hand side, you have the time that you'd initially set it for. Okay, so now let's talk about safety and build quality. So first off, it's built with a food-grade stainless steel, so you don't have to worry about it rusting, and has some excellent safety features. It has a low water protection as well as a probe abnormality alarm, which will prevent the heating element from running dry. So if the water gets too low, so you have a minimum and a maximum here, if the water gets below the minimum, an alarm will go off to let you know, so you don't have to worry about destroying the machine. Another amazing feature of the Inkbird ISV-300W is that you can connect it to your home's 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network and control everything from anywhere using the Inkbird Pro app. This is very simple to do. The app guides you through each and every step. You're seeing this in real time, and it only took me about 30 seconds to get it set up and connected. So once you're connected, you're going to have full control of the device. You're going to see plenty of preset options for pretty much anything you can think to cook with it. You'll be able to set the timer and temperature from your couch and get real-time notifications on your phone when your food is ready. Plus, the app even has plenty of USDA recommended preset recipes, which is a really great feature for people starting out with sous vide because there's no guesswork. The Inkbird 300W is capable of heating up to 16 liters of water to a maximum temperature of 90 degrees Celsius, plus or minus 0.1 to 0.3 degrees, which is really accurate. So you're going to be able to cook your food and have it be at the right temperature at all times. What I've done, because it's hard for me to get a 16-liter pot, is I picked up a sous vide container. And what this particular model has is a adjustable rack on the bottom, so when I put my food and water in here, I can make sure that it stays submerged and cooks properly. This snaps on. The Inkbird slides in, and the clip just holds it in place. and this will let it run. The top will help keep it insulated so I don't have to worry about any temperature fluctuations. It'll help maintain that accuracy. So this isn't just a basic cheap machine. It is a fantastic sous vide cooker, which is a great entry into the world of sous vide. I'm excited to put this to the test and see how it does with some actual cooking. So subscribe, stay tuned, and see what I have to say in later videos.